Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Here's this video with a recipe of cooking fish roe, commonly called as fish eggs. Though difficult to get, they are highly nutritious and certainly a wonderful source of proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. So let's quickly get to the process. Now, here I have some portion of fish roe which is cleaned and ready to cook. First, let's marinate with pepper and salt. Then coat them well and keep aside to rest. In the meantime, let's prepare some onions. Make small and thin slices. And also chop some green chilies and keep aside. Next, we're going to heat a pan at medium to low. Pour in the cooking oil. Add cumin seeds and the sliced onions. Saute them till they are soft and translucent. Then we're going to add crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Also, add in the chopped green chilies. Saute them well and then let's continue adding the spices. Turmeric powder. I'm adding red chili powder. You can also use paprika and some ground pepper. And then roast the spices well. Once done, then it's time to add the main ingredient, the fish roe, or call it the fish eggs. Allow to cook on one side for 3 to 5 minutes. If it's with the membrane, then flip to the other side and continue cooking. Once they are half cooked, the membrane becomes soft and then it becomes easy to mash or make small pieces. You can simply use a spatula to mash them. This helps in releasing the membrane and also better cooking within. Coat them well with the spices and the other ingredients and continue cooking. When it's cooked well, you can see it becomes more fluffy and soft. Now I'm adding some chili flakes. Add salt as per taste. Also, for some crunchy feel, I'm adding chopped bell peppers. This roughly takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the whole cooking. Give a quick mix and then off the flame. Finally, let's garnish with some freshly chopped spring onions. So here's our fish roe ready to serve. It goes well as a side dish for a good source of proteins, or can be served as a main meal with a portion size if you're on a keto diet. So next time, whenever you come across good source of fish roe, don't forget to give a try with this recipe. I'm sure you will definitely love this. And also share with us your feedbacks in the comments below. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.